Hello there, the whole world, guys. This is the continuation of problems on Introduction to Computers Programs in Java. And right now I'm about to jump on to 1.3. I know on the previous exercise I said it's the last exercise that's gonna be accessible by everyone out there. Iso. Okay, I know I did say that. I must say it was a silly mistake. I meant exercise number 1.3. Again, I've got 6 exercises here, you guys. I've got exercises up to number 1.6, and they are only the first 3 will be accessible by everybody out there. The last 3 will only be accessible by people who are paying $9.99 a month, and those people are members. Okay, so at any point in time you feel free to get a membership. Okay, so enough words. Now we are required to write a program that displays the following pattern. One way of doing this is to simply you know what, let me jump on to my IDE. I will go exercise 1.3. I'm creating a new project. So 1.3. Okay, now I want to create a class. I'll go exercise 1_3a. Of course, I need a main method. We are required to come up with a solution that will display the Java massive word. Okay. Basically, the idea here, guys, is you can think of this as a grid, right? Meaning you see that J there, the one that is highlighted, it's in the, if you think of this as rows and columns, being in rows, being in a grid, that J up there is in the first row. 1, 2, 3, 4th column. Okay, so it will be much easier, you guys, if whenever you faced with a problem like this one here, you sit down with the pen and the paper, priori programming, and try to have a better understanding of the problem, which is something most beginners happen not to do. As a result, they spend a lot of time trying to solve a problem which is pretty straightforward, which could have been straightforward if they started by having an understanding of it. Come on, as computer scientists, we are problem solvers, you guys, right? So the very first step in any problem solving approach is to have a better understanding of the problem on hand. Enough words. Let me stop rambling. Let me jump onto the solution. System.out.print. Now, okay, you guys, you see now, depending on your computer, or on how did you set your IDE. Okay, so in my case, I want to leave how many spaces? 1, 2, 3 spaces to the left of the first J, the one up there. Okay, so I'll go 1, 2, 3, and then display the J there. Now let's count the number of spaces between the A there, the J, the top left J, and the A, this A over here. So after that there's a space here, so I'll go 1 2 3 4 on the 5th position. So I'll try to go 1 2 3 4, and then I put an A. Again, it's possible for me that I'm getting this wrong, but you do get the idea. So I'll go 1 2 3 in this case. On the 4th space I'll have another A. Is it A? Oh, it's gonna be V. Of course it's gonna be V. So I'll go 1 2 3 4 and then put a V there. Again, at any point in time I can modify this stuff, so there's nothing you guys should be worried about. So 1 2 3 4 5 on the 6th. 1 2 3 4 5 on the 6th position. I gotta write a V. And now finally I've got how many spaces? 1 2 3. On the 4th, on the 4th space I wanna put A. 1 2 3 4, put an A. Ideally I'll have something like that on the second as well, and then right there I want something like that, and then something like that. Guys, this is not as bad as I thought it might turn out to be, right? However, you will have to put an A there, another one, and another one. An A and another one, and lastly another one. Now the only thing left for me to do is to include the last two. Remember, you guys, it seems like I forgot something here. I need to do that. Now it seems like I've got to take care of the last row, and it's gonna be as simple as going J, another J. Oh, we do not have spaces there, so it's gonna be A, another A, a V there, a V, not A, an A, an A, an A. Okay, fortunately for us, you guys, it seems like we're gonna be getting precisely what we see here on our screen. So I would say there's nothing much to think about here. Why? Again, as you can see, we'll get whatever. Whoops! Can anyone give me a reason why we're getting this? We supposed to be using a print lin, not a print. Now let's see. Boom, you guys, as you can see, we have a working solution. So that's gonna be it for this tutorial. I'll check you out on the next solution on the very same exercise, guys. Cheers, I'm gone.